Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Here in the video, we will share the details for the awakened PoTrade error code 1020. Upon investigating the error, we were unable to find any official information about this error, but we have found that this error can occur if you are using the outdated version of the awakened PoTrade, or if your internet is having some issues. Now let's come to the solutions. Our first solution revolves around updates. Awakened PoTrade, like any other software, releases updates frequently to squash bugs and improve user experience. If you're running an outdated version, this might be the root cause of the error. So head over to the official Awakened PoTrade website, check for any pending updates, and if there are any, make sure to install them. Still seeing the error? No worries. Our second solution is as straightforward as it gets. Relogin. Logging out and then logging back in has proven to be a successful fix for some users. So give it a try and see if it works for you. The third solution involves tweaking your VPN settings. If you're using a VPN, try changing your location. If that doesn't work, consider disabling the VPN entirely. On the other hand, if you're not using a VPN, try enabling one and check if the error persists. Our fourth fix requires you to switch your internet source. This will help determine if the error is stemming from your internet connection or from Awakened PoTrade itself. You can use an alternate Wi-Fi connection or mobile hotspot for this. And finally, if all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Report your issue at. The community members might have encountered a similar issue and could have a solution at hand. So to sum up, the solutions to the error code 1020 are updating Awakened PoTrade, relogging, adjusting VPN settings, switching the internet source, and contacting support if needed. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.